Announcements. The Announcements link is a way to get news and information from your teacher. It is a place where you can read teacher or school announcements. The Announcements link is at the top of each course. Only teachers can post to the forum. Students cannot reply to this forum. Students cannot post to this forum. Announcements will be emailed to all students in the course. Click on the Announcements link. Click on a discussion name. Read the post. Announcements membership. All students in a course are automatically subscribed to the Announcements forum. You will receive emails of announcements that your teacher posts there. You cannot unsubscribe to announcements.